So at the end of this week, we have Black Friday coming up, and then additionally on next week, we have Cyber Monday, which are honestly probably the two most popular times to be an Amazon seller and have the most demand. So today I want to share with you guys how to actually create coupons. It's a form of advertising on Amazon, so when someone comes across your product, if they apply that coupon, they can get a percentage off or a dollar amount off of that purchase. Coupons are a way to incentivize a customer to convert that sale once they're actually on your listing. So first off, we need to make sure that we have a professional selling account on Amazon in order to have access to the coupon advertising feature. This can easily be done by going to your account info and making sure that you actually do have a professional account. Another way to check is to go to the side menu here, go to advertising, and if you do not see coupons, then more than likely you only have the individual account, and you can watch the video in the cards on how to convert that. So at this point, we want to go ahead and click coupons, and we're going to go through one of my test products that we looked at earlier this year. We'll just create a scenario where we're going to be creating a coupon. On the main page, there's some information on why to do this. You can go through on your own time and kind of read more into why you want to be doing this and when it is actually going to be applicable for you. What we want to do in the upper right-hand corner is click Create Your First Coupon. And then you're going to be met with all of your coupons if you were to have one. So all that button did is just took us to our inventory of our coupons that are running or expired. This would be the first one that we're creating. So we'll go ahead and click Create a New Coupon. You could also create it in bulk if you had maybe 5 to 10 coupons that you wanted to create very quickly. So step 1 out of 4 is to search and find the products that you want to apply this coupon towards. Now you're going to need your SKU or your ASIN, or additionally you can go through by searching for your own product using keywords. It's much easier just to use your ASIN, and all you have to do is go to your Manage Inventory, and right below the title of your product that you want to add this coupon towards, your ASIN will be right there. So you'll copy that, and you'll want to paste it into here and click Go. At that point, you should be met with your product that you want to be advertising with a coupon, and click Add to Coupon. If you have more than one product that you want to add a coupon for that is going to have the same budget and discount and the same target audience, you want to make sure that you go ahead and add more of those just by clicking the input here, adding your ASIN or your SKU, click Go, and then add that over to the right hand here. So we're just going to do it for this one product, and we'll move on to step 2, which is our budget and discount. So our discount is what the coupon's actually for. There's 2 ways we can do this. One is the money off, so if we want to give maybe $1 off or $3 off, a fixed amount off of that purchase, we'll go ahead and we'll select money off. If we want to do percentage off, this is a percentage of the sales price that you're going to be discounting towards that customer. Now, I do not have a personal preference on either one. I do like the idea of percentage off because sometimes, let's say we're selling a $10 product and we're saying you get 20% off. Now, 20% off seems like a lot, but in reality, it's only $2 off of that $10 sales purchase. So sometimes that discount can look bigger if it's in percentage form. If you have a product with a lower sales price that's between $10 to $15. So let's go ahead in here and put 15% off. This is an arbitrary number for this scenario, so make sure you put whatever you feel comfortable doing. You don't want to kill your profit margin, but you also want to give something that's decent. The minimum is 5% and the maximum is 80%. Next, we'll want to go down to the left-hand corner where it says, do you want to limit the redemption of your coupon to 1 per customer? They base this 1 per customer requirement off of the Amazon buyer account that buyer or consumer is using. So it's up to you if you want to limit them just to use that coupon one time, making it more exclusive, or you just allow them to use it over and over during the period that we have this coupon active. I do not have a strong preference either way. This is really, it comes down to you. Statistically, if you do select yes or no, there isn't a benefit to either option. For this scenario, we'll click yes just to make it exclusive. But again, make sure you do whatever you feel comfortable doing. Next is the budget. So this is this can be somewhat confusing, especially if you've already done Amazon pay-per-click advertising. This is not a monthly or daily budget. This is actually the budget for this entire campaign. So your budget consists of 2 main things. One is the actual discount. So if we're selling a $10 product at a 10% discount, that's $1 off. So anytime someone were to purchase it, that dollar would come from this budget. So let's say we have $100. So then this would go down to $99. The second part are your redemption fees. This is what you're paying Amazon just to use their feature. Those redemption fees are 60 cents for each redemption. So in that scenario where we're selling something at $10 with a 10% discount, we're paying $1.60 each time that someone actually goes ahead and they make a purchase for that listing. So it's not a lot. Amazon does require you to make a minimum budget of $100, which could be a lot. Now that does not mean that you're going to have to spend $100. You could honestly spend $10 within the first day, and then you can close this coupon out. That way you're only spending $10 and not a budget of $100. So if you do have no desire to put more than $100, just go ahead and do that. Okay, so next we'll move on to step 3, which is our schedule and our target. So coupon title. How do we want this coupon to actually appear under the Amazon listing? So it will say save X amount of percent or amount of dollars, depending on which one you selected in step 2 on, and then what is your product? You don't have to make this complicated. It doesn't have to be a bunch of keywords because it really doesn't matter. For this, these are the vaccine card protectors, and that is simple enough. Again, do not put a lot of characters in here or a lot of keywords, and don't waste your time on that because honestly, it does not matter. It's just what's going to appear below your listing for that coupon. Next is your target customers, which is an optional field here. You could target all customers on Amazon that have an account, Prime members. So it's really up to you if you want to target a specific audience. I do not really see any benefit of just doing Prime or maybe student members unless you're selling a product that is for Prime audience or for college students or someone of that nature. So I would just go ahead and keep all customers here. This is optional. You can leave this pre-selected or change it as you see fit. Okay, so lastly is our schedule. How long do we want this coupon to be active for? Typically when you have a coupon, you're not going to let it run over and over and over. It is a competitive advantage against your competitors, but I would only recommend doing it for a short period of time to really allow those customers who come to your page to easily convert those sales because of the exclusivity. So for the start date, I would, for us, Black Friday is on Friday. So let's just pretend that we're doing a Black Friday deal. We're going to start this on actual Black Friday on the 26th, and then maybe we'll keep it go the whole way through Tuesday. That way we can get over the weekend, which is still a very busy time for shopping, and especially on the 29th, which is Cyber Monday. So we'll keep it going from the 26th to the 30th. Okay, and lastly, we'll continue to the last step, which is number 4. And this last step is really just reviewing and submitting the information. I do encourage you to review the title of how it's going to appear on your listing. Make sure the percentage off or the money off is equal to what you put in that field before, the budget, the start and end date, and all of these fields. You will get an idea of what it will look like, this coupon preview. So if someone were to scroll past maybe a listing, it might say, if you're looking for vaccine card protectors, save 15% on these, and a customer may be more inclined to click to your listing versus other competitors. Okay, and then lastly, once you're happy with the information and you're ready to start your advertising campaign, continue to submit coupon. All right, thank you for watching today, guys. This is a very great way, especially during seasonal times such as the holidays that are coming up or certain events like Black Friday and Cyber Monday, to really take advantage and to convert those sales, which is so important, especially during high demand times.